And we are now getting some more breaking news from West Bengal, where a significant discrepancy has emerged in the ongoing special intensive revision exercise in the state. Initial data from district election officials indicate that about 2,208 booths had reported no deceased, missing or relocated or even duplicate voters. All enumeration forms, in fact, distributed in these booths had been fully completed and submitted. Additionally, the Election Commission has now issued a significant order exclusively for the state of West Bengal, directing all the BLOs to verify all the voters who were above 60 years of age in the 2002 SIR roll. My colleague Kamalika with all of that information. Yes, Kamalika.
See, this is a mystery. A ghost is there definitely, because on Monday it was told from the sources in Election Commission that till now the data has come that there are 2,208 booths where 100% enumeration forms have come back. That means in those booths there are no dead voters. For the last 20 years nobody has died. There are no duplicate voters. There are no permanent shifted voters. Now this was something very uncanny, with which the Election Commission on Monday sought report from the DEOs on this, and this is spread across a lot of districts in Bengal. Now on Tuesday, that means yesterday, when the report came from the DEOs, that means the DMs, who are the district election officers, they stated then the total number yesterday from 2208, suddenly in 24 hours it became 480. That means now there is 480 booths in Bengal where for the last 20 years nobody has died. Nobody has changed, there is no duplicate voters, there is no uncollectible forms. That means the enumeration forms, all which have been given, have been returned. So in 24 hours, almost 80% number of booths has reduced. First of all, this 480 booth is also a question. One booth is equivalent to 1,200 people. That means in 20 years, 1,200 people, nobody died. So this is a magic where definitely the opposition is raising question. We have heard Sukanta Majumdar saying it, Shubhendu Adhikari is saying that this is some mysterious place, then somebody will go there and will start living there, then that person will be quote unquote Amar. That's what the opposition is saying. The Trinamool Congress is saying that these are all data that is coming out from Election Commission. It is the fault of Election Commission. But the point is, who did this mystery? That is a big question. 2208 booths, there is no dead voters for the last 20 years. And now, yesterday, 7 points key directives have again given by Election Commission, where this point is there that suppose somebody who was 55 or 60 years in 2002, where is that person? Naturally, if he, after 20 years, if he is alive, then he is more than 100. So that stress have been given. So definitely, in the entire system, there is something, some problem is there. Dal mein kuch kala hai, that's what the opposition is saying. And the Trinamool Congress is raising the question on the Election Commission. But 24 hours, such a 360-degree decrease of number of booths, and even having such number of booths is itself a big question.
दाल में कुछ काला है या पूरी दाल ही काली है? That is what the Trinamool Congress is planning on deciphering. Kamalika, thank you so much for all of that information there.